Start it right now. Welcome back to CNN. This is Salt Dog Tuna.
Today we're gonna go kill all the bad guys. We're gonna find CH-53s and V-22s. I don't know how today might go. We might die. I don't know. Pretty nervous, but I'm ready to get some. Fuck yeah.
So we're going to Brazzers.com. We got Big Dick Palmer, Big Dick Redden, he fucking is, and 12-inch Morrison right here. Brazzers.com.
The preacher man says it's the end of time, and the Mississippi River, she's a going dry. The interest is up and the stock is
Why torture the plant? What did it do to you?
Not give me water.
Didn't give you fucking oxygen.
Yes.
Fuck.
You're a real shitbag.
No, I am. You're the one fucking with the plant.
What do you have on you right now?
I mean, it's to be expected from this one, but you? No, I'm disappointed. What?
He's not even recording.
Let's hope you don't take point. All right, pussies. Condition 1. Yeah, that's mine. I'll grab it later.
Bad boys, what you want, what you want, what you gonna do when Sheriff John Brown come for you? Tell me what you wanna do, what you gonna do? Yeah. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? When you were 8 and you had bad traits, you go to school and learn the golden rule. So why are you acting like a bloody fool? If you get hot, then you must get cool. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? You chuck it on that one, you chuck it on this one, you chuck it on your mother and you chuck it on your father, you chuck it on your brother and you chuck it on your sister, you chuck it on that one and you chuck it on me. Bad boys, what you gonna do?
I'm not fucking doing that shit.